Festival is coming. It's mean lots of new clothes. It's a shopping day.
Right. I think we should go for shopping today.
But today I'm very tired. I don't want to go.
Oh, come on, Alina. Festival is coming and we have to do lots of shopping. You want to do. Why not we plan for next day? I'm really tired today. And nowadays there is a lot of crowd because of the festival. Rina, are you coming with us?
No, not interested. I only do online shopping, so don't have time to waste in shopping mall.
Hey, I think it's a good idea. We should also find some dresses on online. But there is a problem. Actually, I don't know how to do online shopping. I never done before.
What? Seriously? You have got to be kidding.
Serena?
Oh, you don't worry. I know how to do. Of course you know, because you spend all your time on shopping, right? Cousin Alice. I do because I want to look best and beautiful. Not like you wearing the same type of dress all the time. And by the way, I only hang out with smart and beautiful people. But never with you. What do you mean?
Not again.
That's it. Alina, please get up.
No.
Alina, please don't be so lazy. Come with her.
Yeah, I mean, come on, Alina, let's go. It's not easy for me to handle alone to Alina in market.
What?
Nina, will you help me?
No.
I don't want to go. Leave it, okay?
You have to come with us, okay?
No. I don't want to go. Leave it, okay?
Come on, Alina.
1, 2, 3. Guys, you are fine? Oh no. Are you okay, Alice?
Yeah, I am. Okay, don't worry. Oh no, my back. Got hurt very badly. I need a doctor. Alice, you will never improve yourself. Always behave like a loser.
What is happening all this, girls? The boys of you all are coming outside in the hall. And Alice, you said me before that you all are going for shopping. What is this? You have spread all this? Who did this? Oh God. Sometimes I don't understand my kids. Who will explain me what's going on here?
Mom, sorry for this.
No, I am sorry, Mom. This is all my fault. It wouldn't happen again. I'm sorry. I'm glad you accepted your mistake, Alice. She deserves it. Serena, your mother and my sister coming soon from tour, okay? Wow, I am very happy. By the way, when she is coming? Honey, that's the surprise. And Alice, after shopping, you have to help Grandma, okay?
But Mom, what about Alina and Nina?
Alina and Nina help us a lot. Now your turn. It's a festival time. There is a lot of work to do. Come on, girls, go for shopping now.
Alice, have you decided what you have to buy?
Not yet.
Oh no, Alice. Don't get confused again this time, okay?
Oh, you don't worry. Trust me.
Hello, ma'am. Welcome to our shop.
Wow! What a rush! Look at this place! I'm loving it. I will do lots of shopping this time.
Oh, I'm super excited.
Oops, I'm sorry.
Alice, what are you doing? I understand that you are excited for shopping, but look, everyone is watching you.
Never mind. I'm going.
Oh boy. Alice, wait for me.
Oh wow, look! What a great collection! Nail polish, eyeliner, jewelry. I am in heaven.
Where has Nina gone now? I'm sorry. Nah, where have you been? Mom called, she will come tomorrow. That's great news.
Yeah. How beautiful is this necklace? Did you have another color for it?
No, all the color of this necklace has been sold out.
Oh no, I wanted another color. Let me see. Well, not bad. It's look great on me. Hey, it's matched with my earring.
Our shopping is over. Did you finish your shopping? Well, I was thinking, why don't we try some dresses? What do you say?
Yes, let's do it. It will be lots of fun. Look at me. I'm looking like a princess. Yeah. But can't buy this dress. It's very expensive. Let's try another one.
Not bad, but it's very heavy. Not for me. After all, I'm a plastic. It's cool. This color looked great on me. I think I should buy it. Alina, how long you will take? Here I am.
It's look great on you, my princess.
Yes, you too.
Well, it was lots of fun. Really enjoyed. But now I have to do more shopping. Look how beautiful these two bags. What do you think? Which bag should I buy?
I think green one.
I will go for red one.
Alice, when you had already chosen, so why you asking us?
I know, but you know now how much I like bags and shoes. Don't worry, relax. Oh, Alina, why you are in a rush? Let me see. Wow, I like this. I like this one. It's cool. Blue suits me. Black is also good. But I'm not sure about this. Its shape is horrible. I think this is better. Look at this. Wow, it has a wings. Maybe I can fly after wearing this. Yeah.
Are you serious? Living a fantasy life.
You never know. Where I find them? I think I should call Alina.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey, where are you walking, huh?
Oh, please, that's not my fault. You're walking in the market
What
dreaming
do you
of...
mean?
Excuse me.
Hey, wait, I'm not done, okay? Some crazy people are also in the market. Oh God. I don't understand where they are. Oh, where I find them? I think I should call Alina.
Hey, have you seen the trailer of Spider-Man No Way Home? Oh wow, it's just awesome. I just love it.
She is not receiving my call. Oh, what should I do? Stay here or go find them? I'm so hungry and I'm so tired. I want a French fries and pizza. Oh, where are they? Oh, great! They found me first.
Alice, where were you? How long we have been looking for you?
Let me guess.
Again you forgot the way, right?
Oh no, Nina. I was just waiting for you. Why not?
Hey Manny, wait for me.
Oh, I'm also coming, wait.
Alina, have you done all your shopping?
Yeah.
Hey, what is this? Show me.
I'm not telling you. But why? Let me see.
No, it's a surprise.
You too. She said no, it's a surprise.
Oh, please, Nina.
Come on, Elena, share with me.
Wait for me, guys.
To get away, feel again. Feel again.